Yo, what's up everybody?
Hi everyone.
Yo, this is your super host Victor OGUTU alongside
I am the beautiful Pie.
Street Fashion 254 Mazai crew.
Yes, na tuko ndani ya City Platinum. We're here to enjoy ourselves kwa sounds from the lake courtesy of TEEZEH. TEEZEH ni msanii.
TEEZEH OTIS.
OTIS himself. This nigga can sing. Mimi hadi sijui. Kijana ameua luku. Ameng'ara, kijana mrembo.
Na bado kijana bado anafanya good music from the lake. So we are here Mazai to celebrate this event. We are introducing sounds from the lake. First time in CBD.
Tuko ndani ya CBD. Nani usiku by the way?
Na sisi tumekuja kuangalia maluku by the way.
Ni luku na good music. So saizi hapo hivyo somewhere kuna subscribe, kuna button, hit them. Na like kama hujaleka di saizi wewe ni hater.
So are you ready?
Mimi niko ready. Tuende sherehe kwanza.
Na tuko na wasanii wa ngori.
Wasanii lazima tutaweka. Nana hapo hivyo next ni wasanii wanaingia saizi.
We got some mainstream artists.
Mainstream big ni mwana Balulu kwa nyumba. Niko na videos pia kwa nyumba.
Useful idiotic crazy Kena.
Imagine mimi. Okay, it's time. Okay, now what you should do tunne tukachukue autograph.
Tushare. Okay guys, turudi hapa hivi kwa carpet.
Sai.
Chanda chemu vishwa pete mzima imara bounce. Juu ya meza shika shati. Mishe propaganda spendangi. Kila wakati nikifanya mchango inawauma. Oh yeah. Kila wakati nikichora mchango bila ruhusa.
Yo my beautiful people. Tunataka kujua now who will be running the event. Unajua, Sounds from the Lake is just being started na niko na MC of the day bro. What's up?
Wagwan people. Yeah man, me had to go by the name MC Agmuga, the really cool preacher, your ex-girlfriend favorite MC in the yard. Boom!
Hiyo ni jina yako?
Yeah man.
Hiyo ni jina mani slogan?
Si lazima tuende na slogan. You know, we're on this town.
TEEZEH, wewe mseme mtu wa bana. Talented iko.
Wewe ushaelewa amesema your ex-girlfriend favorite MC. So me I'm your girlfriend's favorite boyfriend.
Wait. So bro, we are in a party to celebrate Sounds from the Lake. Leo tuna expect nini kutoka kwa Young Muga?
Young Muga, you know Young Muga Entertainment. Me had to tell you that Sydney baddest. Okay, wanataka watu understand that I like you sing the Caribbean Green.
I dey tell you.
Yeah man.
I dey say. I dey go, I dey come.
Yeah man.
Wagwan.
Enough respect people. Respect to the maximum.
So umezaliwa Kenya ama Jamaica?
Mimi nimezaliwa Kenya but have blood za Jamaica cause nadhani kuzo wa gukangu alipelekwa huko ka slaves. Kama slaves. So nadhani ka popcorn anaweza kuwa kazini wangu.
Man, we just getting started. Sounds from the Lake is getting hotter. The MC of the day, alongside the organizer TEEZEH. Yeah. Mazai, what do you expect today?
Today I expect badness. Me myself I'm better than bad. So I expect too much badness today. I expect sweetness, I expect goodness, everything that is about celebrating culture, promoting local music sounds.
Energy.
Yeah.
Energy. So guys, we're just getting started and MC Muga will be running the day. Wewe, stay tuned.
Itakuwa moto. Boom.
Yo, nimestick. Enga no money but wewe ndo ntomari. Najua sina gari but nataka nguite darling. Daily ni kudare unipe glory in the morning. Wengine ni sare juu kwangu wendo charming. Najua tuwezi kula love but wenye pepa kuna vile wanasaka love. Wewe mtoto mrembo rangi yako ni ya thao. Ile love genuine.
Man, mtani wapi?
Niko na mitaa mingi bana.
Kuzaliwa?
Nimezaliwa KISII.
Kisii.
Nimegrow nimechop Nairobi, nimehustle Coast. Sasa napiga hustle Narok.
Man. So sema wewe ni national artist.
National ama ni international?
International manze. Ushafika border. So bro, umesema jina ni G-Mystic.
Najita G-Mystic.
So when did you start rapping?
Nilianza kujifunza kuandika mistari back in 2011.
2011. Masa nilikuwa class 8. Nilikuwa class 8 2011. So sasa hivi umefika wapi na muziki yako?
Imekuwa on and off. Yeah, but since 2019 niliamua like music ndo life yangu na sina plan B.
Man. So bro, nikushukuru kwa mafans wako na kuona. Tebu niambie una plan nini mafans wako next?
Okay, niko na projects, kuna spoken 2 sija release.
Hadi spoken word na do
Alafu kuna rap pia kama 2, alafu kuna freestyle ingine. Yeah, hizo ndo vitu tuna plan ku release this year.
Damn. Mazee tubuji push.
Yeah. Mwanaume ni kujipush, unajua. Hakuna msara kupush, unajua.
Hapo sawa. So bro, as we conclude alikuwa nataka utuambie Sounds from the Lake. What do you feel about the show tonight?
Show imekuwa late
bana, madenga wamekuja wengi
na venye sijatoka na moja na nimewacheki kibao. Imekuwa fiti. So
kuna duka fulani wanauza rimis mbao. Siku utafika bei.
Siwezi fika bei juu mimi wasimbao mimi utao.
So guy man, check him. Ladies and gentlemen, as a respect hustle, respect talent. I'm signing out with G Mystic. Mwenyewe. Big up.
Alexis on the beat.
Oh, you is only.
Hometown. Yeah.
Bro, uko na connection hadi Nyeri?
Karatina kwanza.
Na tuna kazi. Kwani hizi connections za nini bana? Connections za kazi bana.
Jua watu.
Bro, let me know you. What's your name?
I'm Pami Boy.
Pami Boy.
Yeah, ni artist TEEZEH is my friend. Actually big time friend. Na respect sana.
So I believe you're in the industry. What do you do in the industry?
So I sing.
You sing?
I'm a singer.
Can you sing for this lady?
Yeah, I can sing.
Tumpe stanza moja.
Tena hakuna mwenye mapenzi kama yako.
Ala,
Hakuna.
ala.
Nipe mchuzi na asali. Tena hakuna mwenye
We ude matachizi ako na chali. So manze, we are here, Sounds from the Lake. And you know, kuna hii sauti fulani inatoka from the lake. Najua hakuna lake Nyeri.
Yeah, hakuna. Surely hakuna.
Bro, sisi tuachimbie borehole tutengeneze lake.
Itabidi borehole ama mfereji.
But because do you know why?
Yes bro.
Sounds from the lake sounds Aish.
Yes man.
You need to have a lake to feel the sounds from the lake.
Ya mimi nilimwambia akitoka Karatina atafute blue na naona amevaa jeans ya blue hapo hivyo. So mimi na appreciate man.
Nimevaa blue. Hata jacket nilinyang'anywa na dem. Nilikuwa na blue.
Unajua kala miwani yako?
Color. Yeah. Blue.
Wewe upatia umwa Kenya. Hako anajua kala miwani yake.
Blue, black. Lakini bado nilikuwa tipsy kidogo, so nilikuwa like ilikuwa gani by the way? Ni blue.
So maze tujibambe, si ndio?
Yeah.
Tujibambe.
I'm happy. Na nimefurahia sana kuja event ya
man.
He's my guy.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, so in respect, he's a G to me. So lazima ninge pull up.
So guys, manze, let's have some fun. Manze, it's just getting started. Manze, party after party. Tuko CBD. Manze, kuna breaking news. I'm being told that I'm standing with the management ya TEEZEH. Bro, what's your name?
I'm Philip.
Philip.
Yes.
So Philip, what's the name of the label?
The label is Gospel Music.
Gospel Music.
Yes.
Iko based wapi?
Car West.
Car West. Man. So bro, Sounds from the Lake manze imeanzia mbali. Nakumbuka ikiwa an idea.
Yes.
But now sayadi we are hosting shows in CBD.
Yes.
What can you say about the journey?
The journey has been good, because it's a concept, from the gospel days. We were talking about him having his own brand, and
True.
I think me being here today shows that the growth from the idea to now we are here. It's an event, so that's some growth. I'm really happy about.
Absolutely.
Yeah, sure.
And I believe you have played a very big role. So apart from TEEZEH, can you mention other artists mwenye umeleta kwa game?
Oh, okay, they are there, but TEEZEH, I can say TEEZEH is the artist that I really worked with from the beginning.
And by the way, he's doing good.
Yeah, I really.
So I can really recommend your work.
Yes, thank you.
So you're based in Nairobi, ama?
I'm based in Car West, Nairobi.
Car West.
Yeah.
Hey, shout out Car West, manze. If you guys hujafika studio ya big man, manze nafaa kufika. Sindio? So bro, tunaongelelea msanii kustruggle in the current world. Ile vako manze, unajua kitambo manze artist walikuwa wanauza ma-CD kwa streets, ma-cassette, wanaomoka one time. But time manze is getting hard because everyone is doing music. How can you advise someone mwenye anajaribu kuomoka manze say in this hard time?
I think it's the secret is branding because if there are so many artists work because the process of creating music has become simpler, right? So you can make music in your bedroom. So that increases the number of artists making music. So to set yourself stand out, make yourself stand out, you have to brand yourself, as an artist, so that like now TEEZEH is doing, trying to do different things, having a brand of his own, and then at the same time bringing something like Sounds from the Lake that brings himself as a brand that can stand out on its own and at the same time influence other artists. And so I think that's one thing that artists who are coming up should be doing. You go create music, but then think of it beyond just music from the studio. Think of how people are going to see you. So I think that's something great that anybody should be emulating.
Man, you just gotta brand yourself maze.
Branding is the secret.
Tembea na kofia kumeandika jina lako. Ama t-shirt fulani kumeandika jina lako.
Hata kama ni t-shirt mbili, you and your friend, if somebody sees it and like, okay, I saw that guy. Yeah, and when they ask, okay, I saw this guy, that question from them means they have recognized that brand. And that is very important.
A very great advice to the upcoming artists, maze. Don't give up, maze. The game is still on. Just brand yourself focus. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now before today sana, you may select one of the most beautiful ladies when you're around. What's her name?
Zeki.
Your jina mazina ya Kenya?
Yeah.
Okay, so Zeki, tuko kwa event maze celebrate Sounds from the Lake. Now I was seeing you passing by and kasema chani kuulize maze about your look. You're shining tonight. What makes you shine tonight?
What makes me shine tonight? My dress. I just love my outfit today.
So, okay, I would like to know where you have gotten your outfit.
From a thrift store called Glam KD.
So ni shop iko physical ama iko online?
It's an online shop. Yeah.
So maze wamekudress poa manze. So is there someone dressing you ama wewe ndio ulibuy hizo manguo ukajivalisha?
Mimi ndio nimebuy manguo nikajivalisha.
So what inspires your look? Is there an artist out there mwe unaangalianga you look up to?
No, my outfit is Pinterest inspired.
Nice. Okay. So Glam. So there's a lot of online shops that are coming up za kuuza manguo. How did you come about to trust Glam sana hadi ukabuy manguo kutoka kwao?
So because the person is my friend, I trusted him.
So they do the deliveries and all that?
Yes, delivery in town is free. They have a backup online shop in Kisumu. So in Kisumu it's Wild Designs. They do deliveries to CBD Kisumu within town. And we also, the Glam branch, the Nairobi branch does its delivery within CBD for free and parcel outside Nairobi at 200. So the deliveries are made via various couriers depending on the type of courier you want.
Nice.
So, and delivery to every destination is at a small charge of 100 to 200.
Nice. So I would like to know how much umevaa leo kutoka kwa wig. Roughly.
How much nimevaa? My wig is
Go on.
My wig is 2,000.
2,000 guys, where spend? The dress is shining, I like it. 600, nice. Alafu the handbag.
The handbag was a gift from a friend, so I don't know.
So ukuliza bei. Alafu na chini weva mandege za black.
Yeah, this Air Force One. I got them from a friend. His shop is called Modern Wear. Yeah, you can find them on IG. They are located in Juja, physically located in Juja.
But bado wako
online. Yeah, they sell all sorts of shoes and menswear.
Nice. So Sounds from the Lake, Maze, Ome host Zeki tonight. We are so happy having you, and I hope Maze you're having fun tonight.
Yeah.
Thank you. Manze, umesikia talent, umesikia urembo. Ni kuna msipa fulani manze, she's talented and she's so beautiful. What's her name?
I'm D.
D. Hapa hivi manze, Sound from the Lake. We are here to make you feel good. Na kuna the organizer himself pamoja na Zurikan First Lady.
Yes, the Princess D from Old Town.
So ni First Lady ama?
Yeah, the famous D.
Expect manze from you tonight.
Oh, from me, it's been a good day being with TEEZEH. I loved his performance, and I will tell him to continue the same spirit. Despite all, you good man, keep it up.